Okay, well, I just got bored, and, ooh, I just got a text. Oh, well, call, but, it's my brother, but I'm not gonna answer, okay.
Daddy, stop it. You need to stop it. Yo guys, what's up? What do you want to talk about? You're so weird. Okay, well, the whole thing about helium, why, like, I mean, it's probably, like, toxic to us, but we still inhale it just for the fun of it. Like, why do we do it? And, like, I know it's, like, really bad for us, but I still like to inhale it just for the fun of it, and, yeah.
And now my niece is gonna get mad at me because I'm gonna waste her balloon and she loves it, so.
Daddy, can you get over here? Come on, come on. You wanna, yeah, yo? Oh, come on, come on. No, Gabby, you want some? You want some? Gabby, come here. Come and get in the video. Well, you want to see my niece, Gabby? Here, there she is. Right there. She's such a beauty, isn't she?
Yeah, I know. So guys, this is just a random video, just having fun with helium. I know that kind of is weird, but hold on.
So, well, I think I'm about to end this video because I don't want to get, like, messed up. So, I'm just gonna stop before it hurts me or something. So, I'll talk to you later, and just keep updated and subscribe, okay? Bye!
I guess that this is where we've come to. If you don't want to, then you don't have to believe me. But I will be there when you go down. Just so you know now, you're on your own now. Believe me. I don't wanna be the one to blame. You like fun and games, keep playing them. I'm just saying, think back then we was like one and the same. On the right track, but I was on the wrong train. It's like that, now you gotta face the pain. And the devil's got a fresh new place to play. In your brain like a maze, you can never escape the rain. Every damn day's the same shade of gray. Hey, I used to have a little bit of a plan. Used to have a concept of where I stand, and that concept slipped right out of my hand. And now, I don't really even know who I am. Yo, what do I have to say? Maybe